In this episode, you will see fixing our bedroom door, starting up the van, and cutting a path for the goats. Let's go!
Good morning! Welcome to our channel. If you're new here, subscribe. If you're old here, press that like button and support us, because we really need it this time. It's really tough. Anyways, today we are starting off with the living room kitchen. We're moving forward to that. Bedroom is... who cares? Let's start with this one. We need to do the windows, we need to do the ceiling. But before we can do that, we need to empty out this room, because it's filled with our stuff and we cook food in here, so...
Very good.
Yeah, we need to get rid of everything, get that ceiling down, so we have our kitchen back. But yeah, let's clean it all up. Now.
We have cleaned up all the machines that we brought from this room a week ago, brought them back in. We took away our refrigerator, the chairs, cartons, all the mess that was here, started taking out all the spices, put them in a box so we can bring it in our room, because I don't know how we will be cooking now, because everything needs to go away. So we're probably going to be taking the cooker in and out all the time to cook, I guess. I don't know, because I'm going to be doing work in that room and I don't want it to get dusty. So yeah, we have cleaned this one room, and I realized that before we do anything, we need to fix our door, because there's dust going in and I don't want anything to get like here. All of that is open, all of that. We already have rubbers. David needs to put a wood here now. I don't know if it's gonna be permanently or just for now, because we do not want to get like, after we work, we want to shower and go in a clean room, not in a dusty room. So that's what David's gonna do now. He's gonna fix our door and then keep cleaning up back there. All this mess. And all of this one and that one. But that should be fast. Okay, David. After 3 tries?
3-4 tries.
Yeah.
Four times we took it on and on.
Yeah.
And it closes now satisfyingly, like it has like a seal to it. Or like a door.
Okay, let's put that on.
Yeah, now we're gonna put the sealer on. So, let me rip it apart.
Evie, is it nice? Very nice?
Are we doing it wrong? Everything I do is wrong in my life. Can I get Evie's approval at once?
Evie, is it nice? Is it good?
Up there, it's barely... It has like a gigantic gap, so I don't think it's gonna even seal.
Is it good? Papa, open the door.
It's good, Evie? She said it's good. So now it's time to do the door.
We were looking around our strawberries, how they're doing, and it looks like they're doing very, very good. They're actually growing a lot, and most of them are, look, having already a strawberry. This one, and like there's a lot. I think they're weeding and the watering every evening, like for 2 weekends, two nights in a row. Help them a lot, of course. And I was looking around this ones, how those are doing, because we're getting like new strawberries, and I saw something red. Oh, I got another strawberry, and because it's in here, probably the birdies didn't see it. So I have another strawberry. What do you want to share?
Bite half.
I'm not gonna bite it.
Why?
What
Bite just half, and what was left is me.
Okay.
It works perfect with the rubbers.
It was not working perfectly, but he
Yeah.
adjusted the hinges back there.
Not the hinges, I adjusted this here where the
Which
thingy
one?
goes. This one here.
Oh yeah?
I just put it a bit forward.
Okay.
The door is not really straight, so this top here, for example, doesn't click perfectly, so I had to put like another layers up there to fill it up. Looks a bit stupid, but it works, and we do not want any dust to come in, so.
Yeah, because we will be doing this one probably next video, because now we have done a lot. It's already pretty late. So we're gonna just clean everything up, and the next video we're gonna take this down.
Okay, so let's see if this here works.
Yeah, because we also want to seal all our cracks. Here, this one, this crack, and there's some other ones on the inside. All of this one, that one, oh, this one here.
Silicone is made for things to flex, so this should work perfect here. It says it's full. Unplugged. Poof. Poof. We haven't started the van for like a month?
More.
Yeah?
Pretty sure more.
Oh, we bought
no.
this before your birthday.
So it is a month. Yeah, actually a month. Exactly a month, I think.
Scary.
There we go. Woo!
First click. I just did half a click and it turned up. Smells like diesel. Forgot that smell, didn't we? We want to drive the van, but we don't have insurance.
So we're just gonna drive it up our road.
Yeah, which we're allowed to drive because it's not a public road.
Yep.
Just gonna race it around. But we have amazing radio here that has an antenna, and we have a subwoofer. That car, the radio sucks. Really, it's really
Careful,
bad.
don't put on a song though.
It has a song, 21 Pilots. Okay, close the camera. Let me enjoy it. So we need to do the test in a month, but I just tested the brakes and they're awful, so need to be changed. The oil need to be changed, the filters need to be changed. So much work on the car. Yeah, it needs a service fully.
Yeah.
We don't have money for that kind of things now.
And
so
we
we'll have
haven't
to
paid.
take the van off the road,
Yeah.
as not allowed to be driven on the roads. And
No, we're not gonna take it off.
we're gonna take it off the road, but we're still gonna pay the tax, I think. Because we cannot go past the test now, so yeah. Let me drive the other one to park it as well away. I've cleaned up the grass. I trimmed a lot.
Yeah.
Just the pathways mostly. I don't have time or.
Yeah, just like
Time to
literally
trim
where the
everything.
cars go, behind the house a bit,
Yeah.
here in the front mostly. So David has already started the path till the swing, and the main reason why we decided we want to trim a path for where we would take the goats for a walk, because we usually take them like all around and we go for a walk, is because we found like 2 days ago when we went for a walk with them, we found a birdie nest in the ground. And I don't know how we haven't walked in it, the goats haven't walked in it, David hasn't driven with a bicycle on it, so it's kind of a miracle, and this birdie is pretty lucky, I must say. So I'm gonna go in front of him, walk and see that there's no bird nest or anything bad that we can kill or something, and he's gonna trim it behind me. So that's what we're gonna do. So we kind of have a path to go and don't walk on any bird or any animal.
Ah, I stuck my finger.
Okay, let's go. Come out. Come. Careful. Come out. Yes. Come out. Come. Where are you going again? 3 little boom booms.
Let's go. Oh.
Careful, they have plants there and stuff.
Ella.
Just run out. Let's go. Finally. Why have we been such a bad girl today? Really bad girls you are. So, you don't get milk. Let's go. They follow our pathway though.
Went around. They like the pathway as well. We have one girl being bad.
Let's go.
We have a bad girl, Baba.
Let's go.
Take
Where
this.
is she?
Go into your sister.
Okay, it's raining. I cannot stay long in this position, in this place. We need to go close up the goats. Actually, they were supposed to get milk, but we're gonna skip that because it's raining. They're waiting super patiently. I'm gonna go, and David's gonna bring them grains. But that's it with this vlog. Hope you enjoyed. Gonna see you next time.